to click.
Hi, everyone. My name is Kayla. I'm the chair of the Ambassador Committee.
And I'm Rachel, vice chair of the Ambassador Committee.
We're so excited to be here with you today to share information on the Ambassador Program and this mentorship opportunity.
Before we get into a lot of details, let's start with some background. Hervolution is a nonprofit organization focusing on inspiring girls and young women who are facing multiple barriers to embrace STEM careers. Based in Ontario, Canada, Hervolution is the go-to place for youth, particularly young women from underserved communities, to come in order to advance in 21st century skills. We exist to create opportunities for the next generation of women in STEM and connect them with leaders in the industry for career support. We listen to the needs of the community and that of the STEM industry to better help the next generation of underserved youth with a focus on young women to enter STEM.
The Ambassador Program in particular was developed because numerous young women from our other programs have asked to get involved with Hervolution in some capacity, and also because we wanted to not only provide support to those in high school, but to young women who are in post-secondary or at an early start in their career journey as well. We identified that there's a need for the extra support in skill and confidence building, and this is why the Ambassador Program was founded. At Hervolution, we focus on inspiring girls and young women to embrace STEM careers. Because of that, we believe that the ambassadors play an important role in being part of the inspiration behind our mission. Many young women are still not aware of the programs available to them at Hervolution or otherwise. More than 95% of the young women who participate in our programs have never had a mentor or the opportunity to gain skills while building their confidence to prepare them for their future work. This is why we're very excited to share this program with you. The Ambassador Program originally launched in 2020, right before the pandemic started. And because of that, we had to pivot on the spot to deliver the program. Since then, the ambassadors have focused on things such as raising awareness on STEM education for girls, raising funds for Hervolution, and working with a team of mentors to help plan and execute the GoSTEM program.
Now, what does mentorship look like with the Ambassador Program? A mentor is someone who supports, guides, and inspires the ambassadors to complete their projects and achieve their goals, all while developing skills to succeed in STEM careers. Mentors will have the opportunity to share their experience and their unique skill sets with the ambassadors. Some of the necessary skills include professionalism, project management, experience with pitching, and a whole lot of enthusiasm.
So how does the mentor role work? You'll be paired with one or two ambassadors that you will mentor throughout the remainder of 2022. Through the relationship you build with these young women, you will provide guidance, support skill development, and help them achieve their goals. You'll be connected through our program Slack channel and have the ability to not only communicate by text, but by phone and video as well.
Now, what might this look like? As a mentor, you can support the ambassadors in the following ways. You guide them through the planning of their events and the GoSTEM program. When it comes to planning events, mentors help with developing an event plan, supporting the ambassadors to reach out to speakers, planning questions for panels, and other project management related items that play a big role in the success of the program. Mentors will also help prepare pitching for Hervolution to companies across Ontario. You'd help ambassadors identify companies, create a pitch deck, practice their pitches, and develop a strategy to help them get in the door. When it comes to outreach efforts, mentors can help identify schools and organizations that have programs for youth, help ambassadors craft emails, design posters, as well as social media messaging to ensure that their voices go as far as possible across Ontario and reach all young women who can benefit from STEM education.
We know that mentorship is really important and a big role. So here's what the commitment looks like. This volunteer role spans the remainder of the 2022 calendar year. The time commitment required is approximately 1 hour per month, although this changes throughout the year. Often during GoSTEM week in August, the planning and execution can require a bit more time. That being said, we recognize and expect that each month time spent mentoring can and will vary, and that's okay. The most important thing is that mentors are able to meet with ambassadors virtually each month, communicate via Slack, support ambassadors' goals, and are able to participate in about 2 ambassador-led events throughout the year.
So why mentor? Simple. You'll be able to inspire the next generation of women in STEM and change the landscape of STEM fields. Our ambassadors are passionate, driven young women looking to build skills in communication, project planning, public speaking, outreach, and more. You can help build confidence in these young women to achieve their dreams and change the future landscape of STEM fields. You'll also have the opportunity to get involved in an exciting and dedicated woman-led organization. Through mentorship, you'd be supporting Hervolution's programs and their commitment to bringing high-quality educational STEM programming to those who often don't have access.
If this is something that you're interested in, we would love to hear from you and have you apply to be part of our team. Together, we will make the world a better place. If you decide to apply, we just ask you to fill out the application or sign-up form below this video, or you can email us at ambassador@hervolution.org. We hope this answers your questions. If not, please feel free to reach out to us anytime. Thank you.